Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think this is either a flat, meaning that this is three waves of A right here, one, two, three of A. This is one, two, three of B, and we're now in like a one, two, three, four, five of wave C for like a flat pattern. That definitely is very, very likely. My other possibility is that this is a WXYXZ pattern because to me, this whole thing is all three waves all the way through. Luckily, it doesn't really matter because either scenario I think would have us going up and grabbing both of these highs right here, which means that the US dollar, yeah, it definitely could make some pullbacks on shorter time frames, but overall, I think the US dollar is going to stay bullish for probably at least a few more weeks. I would expect it to take out both of these highs. My target is the 278, 261.8. That's where this little box is right here for potentially the end of a correction and potentially the beginning of a new downtrend. So if we're going to stay bullish on the dollar, overall, at least on the higher time frames, then we would definitely want to take that information and apply it to the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.